Here now with Emily Harrell. She is the Director of Product Management for RegO Products. Emily, what are some of the products that a distributor would typically buy from RegO?
So RegO makes valves, pressure relief valves, regulators, anything that goes into a bulk tank application, a micro bulk tank application, and liquid cylinders.
All right. How about the people that are doing business with you that you think that they know you pretty well? What might be something that they don't know about RegO?
Oh, that's a good question. I've been with RegO for over 5 years now, and I think maybe some people don't know that we're continuing to innovate and work with OEMs to develop solutions. So we're not just making valves, but we're adding value-added solutions to the industry.
Perfect. Aside from the products, is there any other value, like product trainings for distributors or for your master distributors that you guys partake in and offer to your customers?
Yes, we do trainings because we know that safety is number one. We also do training to make sure that people know how to use the products in the industry properly, so that everything is safe. We do bulletins, we do a lot of stuff online, so follow us online and you'll see a lot of videos that we're starting to put out as well.
Perfect. Some of the distributors weren't able to make it here to Philadelphia. I see you guys brought some stuff with you. Take us through the booth and give us the highlights of what they missed and what you would say to them if they were here.
Sure.
Take the mic.
Okay, so again, we have a lot of new products that we're launching. We do a featured product guide every year to talk about the new products that we're launching, as well as some featured products that people maybe don't know much about but should know more about. We're now owned by the same company as Acme, so Acme Cryogenics. Make sure you're taking a look at what they have to offer as well. And we brought some of the newer products like the 1.5-inch diverter in stainless steel. We have hydrogen products now, so lots of new products are coming out all the time. A whole stainless steel valve line, and now we have larger versions of these valves. There's one right here. It's a 2.5 and 3-inch stainless steel globe valve. So we're continuing to fill out the series. Sure, I think with OPW now coming together as one, Clean Energy Solutions, again, it's all about value add solutions. Acme has been doing that for years with their customers. RegO has been doing that. Now we can have kind of a one-stop shop with both RegO and Acme together. We're coming together to help provide that value to the customer.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Emily. Great update from you guys. We appreciate everything that you do for us throughout the year. It's always great to see RegO at all these GAWDA events. And best of luck the rest of the SMC.
Thank you. Appreciate it.